Hey guys, it's your girl Christina with On Cue Makeup. As you can see, I have on a bold gold glitter cut crease eye. Like, I'm super excited about this look because this is something I never ever do, but I was just feeling it, and of course, like I said, Mardi Gras is on the way, so I just wanted to do something fun and festive for the holiday. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, first, of course, I'm starting off with my transition color in the crease area. I'm using my crayon case Watch My Smoke palette. Now I'm going in to deepen up that crease just a little bit more with a dark plum color from that exact same palette. And I'm just going to keep blending and adding more until the color builds up. As you can tell, I'm not going higher than my transition color that I used at first. Now I'm going to go in with my black from my Anastasia eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a smaller eyeshadow brush, but as you can see, I'm not blending. I'm just windshield wiper motion back and forth, and I'm just building that color and building. Now that I got the coverage that I want, I'm going to go back in with that darker plum color, and I'm using the same blending brush that I first started out with, and I'm using that to blend the edges of the black. I'm doing this method because I want my black to still be potent, but I do want those edges blended. So a trick for that is to blend the edges of a black with a darker similar color, but not as dark as the black, if that makes sense. And you're just going to continue to blend until it all fades out. Now I'm using the concealer. Now this is the hard part because I hardly ever do cut creases. I'm using the LA Girl Toffee Conceal, and I'm using that to cut my crease. I'm using a flat brush that I use to do the concealer brow with, and I'm just going to carve out that crease to the size that I want it. This part is very tedious, but if you just take your time and do it and make the perfect cut, everything will be good. What I like about cut creases is you can make whatever eye shape you want. You can make your eye as big or as small as you want. So that's the fun part about it. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my flat angle brush, and I'm going to use a little bit of my black shadow just to go and carve those edges, just to deepen it just a little bit more. As you can see, I'm kind of blending it upward and outward just a little bit to blend it in. Now I'm going in with my blending brush and lightly blending the edges of that black. Now for the glitter part, of course I'm using my lace glitter glue, and I'm going to take my time and press it on top of the eye lightly across the entire eye. And I'm being very precise when it comes to the cut crease area because I don't want the glue to seep over that line. Now for my lace glitters, I'm using a flat brush and I'm lightly pressing it on top of that glue. Once again, making sure I do not go over that cut crease. Okay, now I'm going in with my liquid liner. This part is very important because sometimes when you do a cut crease and you're doing a glitter eye and you're making your eyelid larger than what it is, you can go in and make your liner a little bit thicker than what you would normally do because now you have a thicker eyelid. So just to make everything well balanced and even, it's okay to do that wing liner just a little bit higher and thicker than you would normally do. Now I'm going in with my black gel liner in a waterline, and I'm making it just a little bit thicker because I'm going to smoke out that under eye area. Now I'm going in with the black shadow just to blend it in. You can make it as thick or as small as you want, but I'm making mine just a little bit thicker just so I can bring a better balance to this bigger eye. Now I'm going in to blend that black in with that orange transition color that I used. So this is going to give me a nice fade, smoky effect. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, as you can see, I'm going into my face routine. And I know if you guys been watching my previous videos, I pretty much have the same basic face routine with the same products, but I promise I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to go out and get some new products that we can do reviews on and just try different techniques and everything. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you want to see differently, or any products that you want me to review, please let me know. You can email me or you can leave it in a comment box below, but we're going to switch it up. I do suggest that you watch the face routine, because maybe this can be helpful for you finding a perfect face routine for you on every application. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, but like I said, it's the same thing, but I promise I'm going to switch it up on the next video coming. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I did creating it. Thank you and see you next time.